Okay, you know what? Since we can make our enemy die, why don't we add a health bar on top of it, all right? Okay, for that we will come here, right click UI, okay, and we will create a canvas first, okay? Now, this UI canvas is actually used mostly for your game UI, so it is always locked up here, okay? So, but we don't want this, okay? For example, let me show you what's happening here, okay? If I were to add a text here, and I will make it like write my name, okay, and make the color white. You see, this is on the center, so you can like come here, so it's on the right left corner. So when we play our game, you know, this is like how you can set up your game UI. So this will always stay at top, okay, and boom, bye bye. All right, okay, but we don't want this, okay? What we want, I'm going to delete this. What we want this canvas always to be on top of our enemy, so we can like see the, actually we will create a health bar, okay? That's what we will do. So I will make this world space, and I will make these positions 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is right in the center of my zombie. I will make this 0, 0.01, 0, 0.01, 0, 0.01. Okay, so this is much better. All right, and even make it more smaller. All right, so it's like this, just on top of my zombie. All right, now I will create an image, okay, which I created here in Photoshop. This is like a rectangle bar, and the image size like 200 by 30 something, okay. So this is like a reference for you can create. I mean, I'm going to give it to you anyway, but just in case. Here under the canvas, actually I'm going to rename this health canvas, okay. And under it I'm going to create a new UI and image. All right, so then, and this one I will select this health, but make sure when you import this health, guys, make sure this is set to Sprite 2D and UI, and you hit apply, okay? So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to select this. So if I say health right here in search, so this is right here, and I'm going to scale this and make it like an energy bar kind of thing, okay? Let's make this 2 by 0.5 maybe, okay? I don't like that, 0.3, okay? And bring the health canvas like below, right on top of my guy here, okay? Another thing you want is you want to create an empty object right on here, okay? And bring it left, okay? You see where I'm going here? Bring it left here, and let's call this health bar, and let's call this scale, and I'm going to bring it right in here. The thing is, when I try to scale from here, it doesn't work the way I want, but it will work when we do it right from here. So you see like the energy bar is going down like this, okay? So this is what we will control at, all right, with our FSMs. All right, so this is all set up, and I'm going to create a new FSM here. Let's call this health bar, okay, and I'm gonna call this or actually let's call this health bar, and let's call this bar, why not? You know, okay. So let's come up here, and what we will need is we will need to get this float, this health, into here, okay. And how will we do that? Okay, we will say get FSM float, okay, and we will say the specify game object, and we will drag and drop this right here, all right. And FSM name will be zombie health, okay. You can just copy here this FSM name, and we will copy right here. And the variable name, of course, will be, can we take it here? No, we can't. Variable name will be health, okay? So this one we will copy, okay? Where is this? Health. And we will store this in a new variable. We will call this health variable, all right? And we will check every frame, okay? So now this will get the FSM, this health bar will get the FSM, our float number from zombie, and store this under the health variable. Now what we need is, we need to set scale, okay? And we will say specify game object. And what we need is, we will drag and drop this right here. And we will attach this to health variable, all right? And we will of course click every frame, okay? So when this health bar, when we hit our zombie, and hopefully this should like scale this health bar thing and make the health bar go down, and boom, all right. So we have a, all right, here we go, boom, 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 and it's going all the backwards and things, okay? Now the thing is, because we set our zombie health to like 5, so this is increasing its scale by 5, so we don't want that. We want this, okay, we'll make a few changes here. I mean, we could like change, like calculate and things, but we don't want that. We want like simple solution. I will make this 1, okay? Now this time our zombie health is 1, and each hit I'm going to subtract like 0.2 to my zombie, okay? So what's gonna happen if I click hit? So this is okay, and you see, and now my zombie is, yeah, okay. We don't want this to happen, okay? So what we want is, how can I say, scale, scale, okay. And what we want is, when our zombie is dead, we want to destroy object, okay? Also when the FSM is next to 0, we don't want to see this going backwards all the way, okay? Because it will still like, our bullets will still, even he's in the death animation, our bullets will still like, how can I say, touch him, and it will still subtract our 0.2 from our zombie, so this will go backwards, okay? If we were to like destroy our object right away, or if we were to like, instead of playing the animation, if we would like, how can I say, spawn or create object from our prefabs from here, like we did, you know, with the bullet thing, then that shouldn't be a problem. But now we are still playing with the same object. We just don't want our, how can I say, let's destroy this. We just don't want our health bar to be seen, okay? So if we go to our health canvas, okay, and now if I shoot him, okay, now he's gone, all right, okay. Actually, let's make this, let's make his damage to 0.1, so it's more exact. Yeah, it goes like more in small values, and now it's almost like our zombie has a health of 10. So here we go, boom, 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 go, 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 zombie, come on. And okay, now he's gone, okay? Now this is much cooler, all right? But what we have here is, let me show you something. Actually, this bar is not so cool right now, because when our zombie is turning, you see the energy bar is turning with him, okay? You see? Check it out, all right? We don't want that. How do we fix that actually? What we want is, we want our energy bar to always look at our camera, right? All right. So now it doesn't matter where I am, okay? And so the energy bar should be always looking at the camera, okay? You see, even he's turning, okay, you see? So he's coming at me, and he's gone. That's cool, man. All right. So hope you like this part of my lesson, which is I think like making it more like an arcade shooter game. All right, making it more look professional. So people can ask you, did you make this with Playmaker? Yeah, sure. Or you can say I did this all coding or whatever. Just joking, of course. Okay, so this is looking fine. All right. So see you on the next class, guys. Bye.